There's a tag here, folks.
Come on, Ryan. Come on. Something's on the day. Over here. Over here. Over here. Come on. Now. Now, bro. Now.
And Ray gets the tag.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Punch him in the face!
It's all yours, guys. Hey. It's all yours. Okay. I know.
Come on, Henry!
How you doing there, bro? You alright, bro? Somebody get a belt. Your rib is broken? Hey! Never mind, here's one. Hey! Hang on! Where you going? I already beat you. What do you want? Pick him up. You may have beat me. You're a heck of a champion. You may have beat me, but last time I checked, I've got your title. Right there. Make the match. I don't care about this. Make the match.
Wait a minute.
Hey, he doesn't deserve no title shot. There's a list of people.
Seeing as though that it's the Anthony here that's just injured tonight.
Bullshit.
In 2 weeks.
Hey, put a little bass in your voice when you talk to us, kid.
In 2 weeks, he will get his title shot.
Who made that bass? Where's the bass? Who hired Fat Usher? I'll see you in 2 weeks, boy. Who hired Fat Usher? Here, hold them. 2 weeks. He's got sweat on him. Here, hold it. It's gonna hurt. Go night night. Don't bring us
You think you are, huh? Come in here, we're in the ring.
Why do they We already beat you twice. Told you, easy nice.
I don't like that guy. Where are you?
Bring him on. But he's down.
I don't like it.
Guys look a little hurt there. Get up.
Shut up, Obama.
How's it working?
Good night. I got blood in my gear, bro.
I don't know.
Anybody else back there want to be a hero?
Come on!
Not getting this. Not getting this. Not getting this camera. What happens?
Chris, don't want to be a hero.